Woori Show!
Let's make a buchae. Buchae means fan in Korean. Not only do they keep people cool on hot days, they're used in sporting events, concerts, and in traditional dance like the buchaechum. The fans mimic things found in nature like flowers, ocean waves, and butterflies. Here's how to make a buchae at home. You will need paper, feathers, glue, and some markers. Fold a sheet of paper in half lengthwise. This fold line will be used as a guide. Color in a black rectangle down the middle of the paper. Buchaes for dance are traditionally painted with pretty flowers. We're going to use some markers to draw them in. Now it's time to fold our paper. Sometimes when I fold a fan, the pleats get all wonky. So I like to fold like this to make a guide so each pleat is nice and even. Fold and flip the paper over and over like an accordion. When you get to the end, fold the stack in half. Use some glue to attach the middle pleats together. For a finishing touch, glue some feathers along the top and between the pleats. Ta-da! Your beautiful buchae is done! Woohoo! Let's get dancing! 춤추자!
Woori Show!